Hi guys, I'm Beth Ramsden and I'm here today with another Smart Doll unboxing video. This is my second doll. You can see my first video of unboxing Dauntless in cinnamon. I'll have a link in the description, but today I'll keep it quick because you've probably seen a lot of these. But yes, I've got Beyond in cocoa and an extra thing or two inside as well, so let's get into it. My camera's SD card was full, so that's as far as take one went. Instead, I'll show you everything I've now already opened. Starting with the accessories, this amazing jacket that I'll come back to in a minute, the Mirai postcard and a small magic eraser sponge. It's like an incredibly fine, soft sandpaper, included because the cocoa's skin tone shows up scuffs and scrapes very easily. We have the telescopic stand, which can be pushed into the slot in her back to help keep her steady. I got the extra hand pack number 4, and actually I also bought a pair of 3D printed gloved fists, which I'll paint up soon too. Finally, I did ask them to include some of the free cones of shame in every skin tone so that I could test out face-up materials at some point. We have all the existing colours as well as some of the new Burned Skin Survivor blended vinyl colours, so that's quite interesting to see. Right, let's get back to this gorgeous jacket. The Post-Apocalyptic Jacket in ash grey. It has a full hood and such a lovely weathered look to it. I don't know how they get every wrinkle in the fabric to look so well worn. The back of the hood has an opening to allow the hair or a ponytail to pass through. It does open and close with this popper too. There's a drawstring and snap at each side of the hood, and snaps on the shoulders too, which can be snapped to the hood. It's easily unzipped and looks lovely on the inside. All the raw edges are overlocked and everything's the same colour. There's a lovely little chest pocket here with a little expandable section in the middle. You can really put things inside. There's another drawstring at the waist which functions nicely to pull it in. There's also the main pockets which have a decorative facing, but they function and are a good size. You can certainly get their hands inside. Here's the teeny weeny Mirai label and my favourite touch, the Solar Marine patch on the shoulder. I just love this tiny embroidered patch. You can clearly see all the katakana characters even at this small scale. Another detail I love is the flare out curve of the sleeve. It's subtle but it looks lovely. And on the cuffs we have more working snap fastenings, so you could wear them open, closed or maybe rolled up too. Looking at the back, there's an overlap here left open for the stand to fit through, nice detail. The back has a lovely tapered shape and the drawstring waist. Oh, such a lovely jacket. Let's try the snaps on the hood. Yeah, that would hold it open for photos if needed. Well, I'm delighted with this, well worth ordering. Okay, let's look at my new girl. She is Beyond and her name is Haru, which means springtime. She has such a kind looking expression, rounded features and beautiful hair. She has arrived wearing her Smart Doll underwear in a purple coloured jersey. The elastic reads, "With Smart Doll, the future is in your hands." She has a beautiful body in the colour cocoa, and looking at her face again, she has freckles and lovely bright brown, almost orange eyes. There's a little lilac coloured eyeshadow on her lids. She looks very natural though. If I remove her wig, we can see she has the G5 head sculpt. Oh, and it says S3 at the top of the neck. I actually found this wig to be a very tight fit compared to Dauntless's one. I read on the Smart Doll site that this is a yarn wig. It's so soft and beautifully natural looking. They call it the Twist Out wig. Danny has just announced that Beyond and Prowess will now ship with the puffier version of this wig. So it looks like I ordered just in time to get this version, which I prefer. I think the new Curiosity in Cocoa will have the new wig style too. I'm curious to see how her hair will behave over time, since it's not a style that I would brush. Let's get all of my Smart Doll clothes out and get her properly dressed. I'm glad my Dauntless has someone to share her wardrobe with now. To start with, I'm trying her in my self-made version of the Mori shirt and trousers. She's also wearing the CJ 3-ring boots in molten black. Stick around to the end to see another outfit on her that I made. And thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think of my Haru Beyond, and did you order this post-apocalyptic jacket too? I'll see you again soon. Bye.